and the mouthpiece of the Korean is out.
Sumignal yung referee sa mga kurado natin, ano?
December 1995 nang pasukin ng tubong Cebu City na pinagbibidahan ng Pinoy na si Rev Santillan or may bansag na Gentle Giant dahil kung bumanat ang ating kababayan ay slowly but surely. Nagkasunod-sunod nga na italang panalo ng Pinoy hanggang napadayo ang isang banyagang Koreano na nagngangalang Sukyunyun na parang makina dahil walang kapaguran kung bumanat. Paglalaban nila ang hawak ng Koreano na Oriental and Pacific Boxing Federation welterweight title sa isang 12 rounds bout sa welterweight division. Kaya't balikan natin mga idol ng bakbakan ng Pinoy na kung saan makikita mo talaga ang pusong Pinoy dahil kahit duguan na ay lumalaban ng harapan.
Yun, immediately going to the body area and he's taking the Santillan.
Fighter to
The body immediately. Good
hindi siya ngayon slow starter ha. Hindi ka mukha
by the Korean, nails Santillan. And now it starts here.
tuntok. Parang walang tigil ang kamay niyan. Mantala si Santillan naman, alam nating knockout artist. Ang problema lang kay Santillan, sir, pag minsan nawawala ang depensa eh.
Walang atras, ano?
Walang atras,
Tuloy-tuloy.
puro pasok eh. Tsaka ang kamay niya, parang pisto, no? Nandun. Kailangan dito talaga si Santillan medyo kondisyon. Dahil
Yep.
sa pagdating siya ng gitna ng delikado yan.
First clean spick and span in the corner of the Korean. Sukyunyun, of course, is the OPBF welterweight title. Good right by the Korean.
Pero si Santillan yan, sir, ang kaliwit eh. Siya dapat ingatan ng Koreano din yung kaliwa ni Santillan.
Now, jab constantly at work for Sukyunyun, and that right tags the right cheek of Santillan. Body work now this time by Sukyunyun. Left to the face of Santillan.
Alam mo, sir, walang tigil ang suntok ng Koreano eh. Parang perpetual motion ang kanya, no? Yung bang sige.
Yes.
Samantala naman, isa na magandang opening.
So far, a minute going by. It's just a little over a minute going by is here in round number 2. Again, we'd like to thank all our dear friends for making this brawl at the Hug Cebu City. Of course, this is one of the landmark events, not only for the water.
Walang boxing dinasyon yan. Uli, daan na kameron.
Backward catching the tail end of the Sinulog. Fighters taking on each other strongly. Santillan trying to work at the Korean who gets jolted. A right to the head. The Korean is in trouble. He might be ready for the fall. Santillan working very hard. Working on the face area of the Korean. The Korean is in a daze. Sukyunyun unable to throw anything, but there are some short replies. Sukyunyun trying to work on the chin of Santillan, and suddenly a flurry of punches by the Korean.
Well, medyo nag-groggy yung Koreano pero bumalik, ano? Medyo nasaktan din si Santillan doon pero ngayon tumatama si Santillan na maganda.
Yes, Santillan with a right cross and a straight to the body. Another one to the face. Crowd getting excited here. Approaching the final 20 seconds. Uppercut. Bloodies the Korean. And the Korean is getting serious punishment here. His crown suddenly in jeopardy here. Santillan being egged on by the hometown crowd. Blows. And that'll do it.
Mga Koreano manlilipis eh.
At saka ganda ng skin nila kasi, no?
Oo.
Whether babae o lalaki kasi.
Oo.
In the meantime, third round action. Just sending champion in the white trunks and a bit of blood already on his trunks. Santillan Andoy, welterweight champion.
Mahirap kalaban to Koreano.
Yes.
Punta ng punta, no? Mukha naman yun si Santillan.
Punches and a bit to the face and another straight to the face that connects on Santillan. In the meantime, the body shots by the Korean. He's seizing the initiative. Santillan in a bit of trouble here. The Korean shots to the face. Korean slowly developing into a bloody...
Dahil hindi sanay na ganyang laban si Santillan, ang pace eh, na walang tigil. Kailangan makamera si Santillan.
Korean Singdam Bakurin, the Thailander rather, in a fourth, he began to ooze from the nose area. body shot by Santillan.
Tingin ko yun ang dapat na gawin ni sa Koreano sa Smundok.
Test na yung bodega, no ha?
Oo, dahil hindi malakas ang katawan ng mga hindi matitibay dyan yan.
And that's what's in the mind of Santillan right now. In the meantime, the Korean, however, is a pesky customer. Ayaw tumigil, no? Suntok. That's how to box himself out of trouble here. That second round clearly going seized here by the Korean, who's thrown the more lethal punches, but Santillan, as the round approaches its last 25 seconds, with some telling blows, is the Korean on the way down, but he looks like a tough customer.
Akala ko yung mga tamang yung receive, lalaglag.
Body area to sort of weaken the tree, so to speak.
Oo, dahil tingin ko matibay ang mukha eh. Oo.
Of what has been a true, honest-to-goodness brawl. Abbreviated, no?
Oo, totoo. Mukha nang hihina na si Santillan, sir. Mukhang itong Koreano ngayon ang lumalakas.
No, because sanay yung Korean doon sa style na yan. If Santillan thinks na let up yung Korean, I don't think that's going to happen.
Oo. Kailangan saktan niya yung Koreano.
Yes, he must tag him seriously.
Yung mga ganun sa katawan.
He was able to do that in the second round, but how can you continue to throw punches when the other side also throws a lot of punches as well?
Napipilitan si Santillan sumabay eh. Hindi siya makaboxing dahil obligado siya. Nasa harapan niya palagi yung Koreano. Oh.
Keep in mind that the referee, Mr. Bruce McTavish, is a scoring referee. There are three judges, of course. Engineer Luciano Papiero of the Philippines, Kim Jun of Korea, and as I mentioned, Mr. McTavish, the referee.
Alam mo yung Koreano, suntok, 10-1 eh. Oh.
Hindi siya malalakas na devastating, pero
masakit.
makakainis.
Oo,
Makakainis kung ikaw ang tagatanggap ng mga suntok na yan.
sa dami.
Tuloy hindi makatapon ng suntok ng ganong karami si Santillan.
Santillan, oo. Pero kung ako si Santillan, pamabayaan ko lang yung ganon. Kailangan pa.
Kasi sumignal yung referee sa mga kurado natin, ano?
Aper. Grogi yung Koreano.
The Korean is down for the count. He's up at 7. Bruce McKnight, Santillan, sensing the possibility of being crowned champion here today. What will it happen? Let's see. The Korean has proven to be a tough customer in the course of the fight, but he's been tagged. A knockdown has happened here. Santillan receiving punishment as well.
Grogi na ang Koreano. Nag-iintay na yan na magandang tama ang Koreano.
And Santillan hard at work. The Korean being tagged left and right. The uppercut missing there. Santillan continues to ride on the crest of the excited crowd.
Matapang yung Koreano. Ang
Yes.
ganda ng mga tinatamaan ni Santillan pero nakatayo pa rin.
Take nothing away from the Korean. Now continues to launch his attack, but the uppercut right to the chin. Another one to the chin.
Nakita siya ng magandang opening, bigla niya sinusuntok ng malakas.
Not too many hooks by Santillan. That doesn't seem to be in his...
Alam ka pang babagsak sa Koreano kanina yung upper eh. Pero ito na naman, nandiyan naman ang Koreano, wala naman tigil ang suntok kay Santillan.
That jolted the Korean, but the Korean continues to fire away. This has been a slugfest, no question about it. Uppercut jolting the face of Santillan. Santillan receiving serious punishment here. Shot to the chest area, staggering the Korean just a tad there, but the uppercut beginning to...
Santillan, sir.
Both fighters now bloodied. A shot to the chest by Santillan. Slight opening, but Santillan unable to avail of it. Out of him in the 5th round.
Yun nga, yung baksak na yun, dapat grogi pa hanggang yun yung Koreano. Pero kita mo naman, wala lang tigil ang kasusuntok ng Koreano. Eh, tingin ko, naupos po si Santillan.
The uppercut is being requested by the crowd because that has been the big punch so far of Rev Santillan.
Naku, tinamanan naman na maganda yung Koreano. Medyo grogi ang Koreano pero talagang napakatapang lang.
Matapang, matibay, and he is going round. Sam Sarmenta alongside Moy Linus. And this is the brawl at the waterfront, a very special presentation of the OPBF Welterweight Championship. And it is being defended by the Korean, who is at the left of your screen, Santillan, with a major connection there. But the Korean continues to fire away. He will not go quietly into the...
Alam mo, ang ganda save ng mga tinatama ni Santillan. Sa ibang boksingero yun, hihiga na. Pero itong Koreano talagang napakatapang.
against him in this particular fight. He's the visitor here, no?
Right. Alam nila na kailangan manalo sila dito ng knockout. Kung hindi, medyo mabigat na laban. Katulad yan nga, may point deduction na siya, may baksak pa siya.
Yan sa boxing, knockout.
Right. Knockout or TKO.
3 straight connections, 4, 5, 6, and the mouthpiece of the Korean is out. The Korean.
Tagay ng corner man, pero hindi makakit ng corner man dahil sa tagiliran.
And the Korean backpedals. Ace jolted. And Santillan is hard at work. He senses the opportunity. The Korean seems to have nowhere else to go.
Naabangan na ni Mac Davis. Pagka tinamaan naman ganito, awatin ito ni Mac Davis. Pero hindi, pumapalit yung Koreano
tumatapon pa rin eh.
Kahit pa paano eh.
Final 40 seconds. So far, the Korean has been lucky towards the end of the round.
Talaga. At saka ngayon, para bang nakakameron siya palagi ng second win, saka third win eh. Galing sa laglag, pero siyang umapasok.
Alam mo, ang pinaka-jolting yung...
Oo, dahil sa usually, pag-uppercut, dulo ang tama eh.
Saka yung nerves natin sa ipin area, very sensitive lahat yan. Kung katawan mo talaga nararamdaman yung jolt niyan. 10 seconds to go. And it looks like the Korean of Santillan slipping there.
Well, hinihingi po ng mga Koreano.
In the 7th round, the mouthpiece of the Korean also went flying. Good shots by the Korean. Although
May putok naman yan ng Koreano din. Tinamaan ng left upper ni Oy!
that is the concern.
Dahil may point deduction na rin si Santillan.
Yes.
Pero sa ngayon, mas magaganda ang patama nitong Santillan dahil nakakailag eh. Samantala,
Is unceasing, tireless. Yes. Now jolted Santillan. Ang bilis niya mag-follow up eh, no? Same hand pa, same hand.
nandun eh. Hindi napakalakas. Pero yun nga sa dami, manghihina ka rin eh.
Shot. The Korean, however, taking it strongly against Santillan. Short shots to the face, coming in quick succession. Right hook, finding its mark by the Korean. Santillan loves to finish the round strong. Glad you could join us for this one. This has literally been what the title is.
Alam mo, kailangan talaga ang sapatos mo fighting shoes mo, yung rubber noon, yung traction noon, nandito dapat.
Traction.
Oo. Basta ang Koreano, pasok ng pasok, suntok eh. Dapat man tumatama din ang mga daptis-daptis din lang naman eh. Oo. Kasi pag tinatamaan niya ang Koreano, nag-ulogi at napangalaan. Malaki na putok ng Koreano.
Yes.
Malaki na putok.
Santillan senses that. Face continues to be the main working area of Rem Santillan. But Santillan also got cut.
Pareho na sila may putok. Pero tingin ko alam mo, mahirap akong kumuha ng second win dito sa Koreanong ito dahil palagi nasa harapan mo.
I think he has just beaten his past opponents into submission. Keep in mind that Santillan is putting on the line here his undefeated record of 11.
Imbis na ibuga ang tubig, nililok na rin ng Koreano eh.
And the Korean now sensing that maybe he is actually behind. Now with his in the 5th as well as in the 7th, a point has been deducted from each of the fighters against the Korean in the 5th and against Santillan in the 8th.
So tingin ko dito, ang Koreano talaga, ang inaano niya, yung bang mapagod yun sa Santillan, kaya panay na panay ang suntong niya, pasok ng pasok, Koreano eh. Especially kung dayo ka. Tulad dito Koreano, dayo dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, malaking factor yung pagkakabaksak na yun. Yung siguro kung ang laban ay sa Korea, bali wala yun. Kaya bumagsak ang Koreano.
Santillan in the meantime is on the actually.
Pero yung Koreano, dahil tingin niya behind siya ang poise, pasok naman siya ng pasok.
Pero walang lutong yung suntok actually.
Ng Koreano, marami lang. Pero yun nga, sa dami, medyo nasasaktan yung yung...
Medyo jolt naman yung Santillan paminsan-minsan, ano?
Dahil may bigla eh.
Into the punch, eh, no? Good shot by the Korean. Partially slipping there. And look at Santillan. He loves the end.
Dahil pwede ba namang hindi ka mapagod yung suntok ka na suntok. Pero bilib na ako dito sa Koreano, resistensya nito. At saka yung mga tinanggap niya suntok kay Santillan. Hindi ordinaryo suntok yung inabot niya.
Santillan's on the move. He now seizes the initiative when he hears the signal for the last 10 seconds. Pino mo gusto mo manalo sa Santillan. But from a boxing fan perspective, it's been a good...
Kung magiging deciding round.
Can ill afford now to just stay away. The Koreans dealt by Santillan at 29 compared to the 23 of Rev Santillan. Medyo nadudulas na konti si Santillan.
Oo. Dahil nga ba madalas na ngayon ang ating ring. Ang hampas natin.
This is the last fight of the day. Medyo hampas natin. Marami ng fouls din ang
Oo, tsaka tubig lahat. Ano naman ang tigil ng Koreano?
Both fighters extremely tuckered out. As benefit of the doubt kahit pa paano yung champion eh.
Oo. Ako, so far, sa ano, marami ang patama yung pero
Hindi ganun kadaling pabagsakin to Koreanan to.
oo, matapang eh. Ilang beses ng grogi talaga, pero uy,
Good shot by the Korean. But will he have enough time? Final half minute.
uy.
Madulas na talaga. Santillan is in trouble. He has no grip on the canvas. He is now being punished by the Korean. Unable to answer.
Oo, hindi na halos makasuntong sa atin yan eh.
Actually, parang nag-aaway sa putik itong dalawa to eh.
Oo, tumama naman si Santillan. Grogi naman yung Koreano. Uy! Uy!
And the new welterweight champion of the Orient Pacific Boxing Federation, Rev the Gentle
I think
Giant.
Referee McTavish.
Grabe ang husay na ipinakita ng Pinoy dahil kahit duguan na at marami na ring mga tama ay makikita mo talaga ang pagkapusong Pinoy. At sa pagkakapanalo nga ni Santillan ay nakuha nito ang OPBF welterweight title. Anong masasabi niyo mga idol sa laban na ipinakita ng Pinoy na lumalaban pa din kahit duguan na? I-comment mo lang yan mga idol at ating pag-uusapan. Maraming salamat mga idol dahil hanggang dulo ay nanonood pa rin po kayo. God bless you mga idol.